Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine, right? Okay, we are at class of class 4. Okay, our subject is science. What we have? Yes, we are going. Hello, Revan and probably. What's a block? Block. Where animals live. Okay, children, sit properly. We are going to discuss about block 8. Yesterday we have completed our block 8. Especially yesterday we have learned about amphibians. Amphibians. What are amphibians, Nana? Yes, amphibians will live in both in land as well as in water. Yes. Here today we are going to discuss about the whole block. Where do animals live? Where do animals live? Live. Where do animals live? Where animals live. Where animals live. We are going to discuss about where animals live. Where animals live. Right. We have discussed about yesterday block 8, especially amphibians. Now we are going to discuss total complete review of block 8, that is where animals live. Where do animals live? Can you tell me? Yes. Like forest. Yes, like forest, deserts, mountain region, mountains. Next, where we can see some of the animals. Polar region. You can see some of the animals near water or water bodies. Yes. We have seen these, mostly these regions are called as land animals. Mostly these animals are called as land animals. Now, water bodies. Some of the animals like fishes will live in water. Those are called as water animals. Water animals. Especially now we have seen about two types. One is the land animals, other one is the water animals. Now we have seen some other animals which live both on land as well as in water. Those are called as amphibians. Those are called as amphibians. Amphibians means double life. Double life. Yes. We have seen in the land where do animals live? In the forest or desert or mountains or polar region. And some animals which live in water are called as water animals. Example is the fish, here frog. Example is frog. And what about the land animals examples? You can write lion, tiger, cow, deer, etc. You can write any animal name. Yes, especially water animals. Here in this chapter, where do animals live? We are going to discuss. What some animals will live in forest. Yes, land animals are having 4 legs. How many legs? 4 legs. Land animals are having 4 legs. As well as they are having fur or hair. What they are having? Fur or hair on body. Yes. Where they are having? They are having hair or fur on body. And next one they are having 4 legs. 4 legs. And what is the main thing? Yes. They can move by walk or run or jump. Because of the webbed feet, it can swim easily in the water and can crawl on the walls also. Some of the amphibians will be example from as well as some of the salamanders also. Now we are going to discuss about the content pictures, right? Now I am going to show you some of the pictures by screen share. Look after the content picture children. Then you will get clarity about our today's topic. Yes. Where do animals live? Where do animals live? That is our topic name. That is a block A especially. Yes, adaptations in animals. We find animals all over Earth. Where do we find animals? We find animals all over Earth. Yes, all over the Earth. You can see in the forest, you can see in the desert, mountains, polar region, water area, anywhere. On the Earth, everywhere you can see animals. Animal is nothing but, Earth is nothing but nothing but, yes, animals living house. You can see. We find animals all over the Earth. They live in sea. Where do they live? They live in sea, in forest and in deserts. They can live in the seas, means in the water bodies like sea, ocean, river, ponds, everything. Next one is the forest. Most of the wild animals and most of the herbivorous animals will live in forest and in desert. Example, desert animal is camel. What is the desert animal here? Camel. Yes. They have physical features. They have physical features. What they are having? Physical features. Physical features అంటే ఏంటి? అవి ఎలా ఉన్నాయి అనేది చెప్పడాన్ని physical feature అంటారు. They have physical features that help them to live in different places. Different places లో live చేయడానికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. These features mainly help them to hunt for food. What is the reason why they are having physical features? To hunt. Hunt means in search of the food, they are going to hunt. Carnivorous animals will hunt herbivorous animals and escape from the dangers. Escape from the danger, or you can say escape from the predator. Right. Next, most birds and insects have wings. Some of the animals like birds are having wings. Wings. Yes, to help them to fly. Bats and mammals can fly. Bats and mammals. Some of the bat is also example for mammal. Mammal they have to give birth directly to young ones. Okay, baby ki direct ga birth iste varthe mammals antam. Bat is the example of mammal. Right. Land animals have legs to walk and run. Fish use fins to swim in water. Already we have discussed on the board itself also. Right? Some of the animals like fishes will swim by using their yes, you can see here the tiger leopard is having the 4 legs. Yes, here you can see the fish which is having fins and which helps to swim in the water. Now when come to the leopard, you can see the 4 legs as well as it is having patterns. You can see hair is in the form of the pattern, yellow and black color pattern, which helps to hide in the grasses. Right. This is about our first topic, that is land animals or features of animals. Now we are going to look after physical features of land animals. What we are going to look after? Physical features of land animals. Most of the animals that live on land are having Now you can see physical features of land animals we are going to look. Most of the animals that live on land have legs. If you observe the cow, deer, lion, tiger, any animal, it is having legs to walk and run. They use their legs to walk and run. They use their legs to walk and run to get their fur. Why they are going to run? Why they are going to walk? Yes, you are right. They are going to get fur. Deer use their legs to walk and graze. What is the meaning of the graze? Graze ante you can say grass eating animals. What is the meaning of the graze here? Grass eating animals. Grass eating animals are called as grazing animals. Not only the deer, you can ride cow, buffalo, all herbivorous animals are called as grazing animals. Here the word has came, that is graze. Next, hyenas use their legs to run and hunt for fur. Some of the carnivorous animals will use their legs to hunt. Yes, to hunt the other animals. Right. Now you can see some of the animals. Some animals such as snow leopards. Now we are going to discuss about snow leopards and yaks live in very cold places like high mountains. Where they are going to live? Like the snow leopard and yak. Yak is going to live in high mountains. Mountains like Himalayan mountains, or you can say any other mountains. Mountains is alone. These animals have thick fur. What they are having? Thick fur on their body to keep them warm. What is the adaptation here? Yes. Here you can observe the leopard body all over the skin. It is having thick fur. It helps to get them warm. Manam summer season lo vestuntamma sweater, winter season lo vestuntamma. Yes, in the winter season we wear sweaters to keep our body warm. The same manner here the snow leopard and yak uses their skin fur which helps them to keep their body warm. Right. Now, camels live in desert. Where do camels live? Camels live in deserts that have sand and are very hot. Now normally if you observe the desert, it will be very hot. But camel can walk, run, it can do all activities there. Means it has adapted there itself. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ మనకి చాలా ఇష్టమైన ఫుడ్ ఏంటి బిర్యానీ చూడగానే మనం తింటాం. అలానే ఇక్కడ కొన్ని యానిమల్స్ ఒక్కొక్క ప్లేస్ లో ఒక్కొక్క యానిమల్ ఫిక్స్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఫుడ్ అక్కడే మనకి దొరుకుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు స్నో లెపర్డ్ యాక్ ఓన్లీ దే లివ్ ఇన్ మౌంటైన్ రీజియన్స్ లోనే ఉంటారు. కానీ క్యామెల్ ఎప్పుడు డిజర్ట్ లోనే ఉంటుంది. అర్థమవుతుందా? పోలార్ బేర్ ఎప్పుడు పోలార్ రీజియన్ లోనే ఉంటుంది. బికాస్ దే ఆర్ అడాప్టెడ్ దేర్, అంటే వాటికి అక్కడే ఫుడ్ దొరుకుతుంది కాబట్టి అవి అక్కడే ఉంటాయి. రైట్. Now camels live in desert that have sand. Sand and very hot. It is very hot. They have large feet. What they are having? Large feet that do not sink. Because of the large feet, it does not sink. Sink ante munigipod. Kani aa sand lo dan leg anedi munigipod. అర్థమవుతుందా? అంటే సింక్ అవుట్ అంటే లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. మనం నార్మల్ గా శాండ్ మీద నడిస్తే వి సింక్ అవర్ లెగ్స్, మన లెగ్స్ లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. కానీ క్యామెల్ డస్ నాట్ సింక్ ఇట్స్ లెగ్స్ బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ లార్జ్ ఫీట్. చాలా పెద్ద ఫీట్ ఉంటుంది, గట్టిగా ఉంటుంది, స్ట్రాంగ్, వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఇంటూ ద శాండ్. A camel's long legs keep its body away from the hot land. Because of a camel is having long legs, it helps to away the hot land. Land means చాలా హైట్ లో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి అంత హాట్ దానికి తగలదు. రైట్. Now we have seen what's there. Now you can see the camel here. Yes, camel have the features that help them to live in desert. Camel is having long legs as well as you can see the feet here. Feet is also very strong which helps to walk on the hot deserts. Yes, this is about the camel as well as snow leopard. Now we are going to look after another picture. Right. This is about physical features of fish and amphibians. Now we are going to discuss it. Right. Physical features of fish. What we are going to learn? Fish. If you observe the fish, you can see here. Fish breathe in water with gills. Here you can see this structure, right? This is the gill. What is this one? Gill. Yes. You can see the line-like structures. These are called as the scales. These are called as scales. This is the mouth. You can say this is the mouth. Right. Now we will observe what are the physical features of fish. Fish live in water. Fish live in water. Not only water, you can write all the water bodies like lakes, rivers, ponds, ocean, whatever you like, as well as you can write aquarium also for water. They use their gills. What they are going to use? They use gills to breathe oxygen that is dissolved in water. Yes, here we want to identify. Fish will breathe by using its gills, as well as it is going to breathe only dissolved oxygen. Dissolved, water dissolved oxygen maatrame fish anedi absorb chestuntundi. We are breathing not dissolved oxygen, we are breathing normal oxygen. Manam breathe chestuntunnam kada air? Yes, we are breathing normal oxygen. Kani ikkada fishes dissolved oxygen, water lo dissolve avutuna oxygen, aa oxygen maatrame avi use chestuntaru. Yes. They use their gills to breathe oxygen that is dissolved in water. Fish have fins. Yes, this is the fin. You can see this is the fin. Yes. Fins and streamline shape. Already we have discussed about streamline shape. Streamline shape and boat shape or flattened shape. Streamline and flattened shape. Manaki choose మధ్యలో బాడీ ఫిష్ బాడీ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? మధ్యలో చాలా బ్రాడ్ గా ఉంటుంది, ఎడ్జెస్ కి పాయింటెడ్ గా ఉంటుంది. అవునా? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ స్ట్రీమ్ లైన్ షేప్ ఇట్ కెన్ స్విమ్ ఈజీలీ ఇన్ వాటర్. నెక్స్ట్ షేప్ దట్ హెల్ప్స్ దెం టు మూవ్ ఇన్ వాటర్ ఈజీలీ బై రెడ్యూసింగ్ ద ఫ్రిక్షన్. ఫ్రిక్షన్ వాటర్ లో ఎప్పుడు చూసినా అలలు వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. అలల్ని ఖచ్చితంగా మనం ఏమైనా సెట్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా ఫిష్. yes, because of that we can use the fishes use their fins. Fishes use their streamlined body. But streamlined body ante chala broad ga middle lo pointed ga edges ki unta. Aa shape valla avi exit ante ఏమవుతుంది ముందుకు వెళ్ళడానికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. The friction reduces stress and water exerts on them. Friction, water of the friction ni avi control chestunta. Yes. What is the main thing we have discussed? Gills are the respiratory organs of fish. That we have to remember. Next, fish breathe in water with gills. That we have discussed. Now we are going to discuss about physical features of amphibians. What we are going to learn now? Physical features of amphibians. The word amphibian means double life. What is the meaning of amphibian? Double life. There are two lives here. Amphibians grow in water. Ekkada grow avutayi? Water lo grow avutayi. Normal ga ippudu chudandi. Frog will lay eggs in water only. Frog eppudaina eggs water lone lay chestundi. After the complete development, egg nunchi adult stage frog vache varaku మొత్తం ఎక్కడ జరుగుతుంది ద లైఫ్ సైకిల్ ఇన్ ద వాటర్. సో దట్ దే హావ్ గివెన్ amphibian grow in water and రాసారు సెంటెన్స్. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్ నుంచి అడల్ట్ వచ్చే వరకు అన్ని స్టేజెస్, లార్వా, నెక్స్ట్ యూ కెన్ సే టాడ్పోల్ లార్వా, అవన్నీ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి ఓన్లీ ఇన్ వాటర్. yes, amphibians grow in water but live on land as adults. adults గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ల్యాండ్ మీదకి వచ్చేస్తారు. They don't have gills but have lungs. Adults ki lungs ఉంటాయి. Larva stages, tadpole larva ki ఫిషెస్ కి ఏమో గిల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఫ్రాగ్స్ వచ్చేసి లంగ్స్ ఉంటాయి. యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఇట్ కెన్ బ్రీత్ బై యూజింగ్ స్కిన్ కూడా. కానీ ఇట్స్ లార్వా ఫిష్ ఏంటి ఫ్రాగ్ యొక్క లార్వా వచ్చేసి టాడ్పోల్ లార్వా విల్ బ్రీత్ బై యూజింగ్ ఇట్స్ గిల్స్. టాడ్పోల్ లార్వా మాత్రం గిల్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకునే బ్రీత్ చేసుకుంటుంది. అడల్ట్ ఫ్రాగ్ మాత్రం లంగ్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటుంది బ్రీత్ చేసుకోవడానికి. రైట్. They have thin and moist skin. Amphibians are having thin and moist skin that helps them to breathe. Because of that moist skin, they can breathe. They need to keep their skin moist. ఎప్పుడు చూసినా అవి వాటి స్కిన్ ని మాయిస్ట్ గా ఉంచుకోవాలి. If their skin dries out, they can die. This is why they live near water. అందుకోసమనే అవి ఎక్కువ వాటర్ ఉన్న ప్లేస్ లోనే ఉంటాయి. So this is about our amphibians. Right. Now you are going to see this is the fish. Yes. Frog live in water and on land. If you observe the frog here, it is having the webbed feet there, as well as it can breathe by using its lungs. Next we are going to observe about one more. This is about our content picture, that is frogs and salamanders are two kinds of amphibians. Frogs has webbed feet that helps them to swim. This is the salamander. You can see these lizards in the gardens as well as in some of the desert areas. Right. Crabs do not have fins which help them to swim. Do you know? If you observe the crabs which will live in water, they does not have any fins. They walk on the floor of the sea. అవి ఎప్పుడు స్విమ్ చేయరు. ఎప్పుడు చూసినా నడుస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. Yes. Crabs does not swim. They does not have any fins, so that they will not swim. They will crawl or they will walk on the ground itself. Now we are going to discuss about our glossary. Dissolve. What is the meaning of dissolve here? Mixed. Dissolve ante mixed. Complete ga mix chesaru. How we mix water and sugar? The same manner. What dissolve ante mixed another. Next, friction. The force opposes motion. ఫ్రిక్షన్ అనేది మీకు అర్థం కావాలంటే ఒకసారి న్యూస్ పేపర్ తీసుకొని రన్నింగ్ చేసినప్పుడు మీకు ఎయిర్ అనేది మీ ఫేసెస్ కి టచ్ కాదు, కాకపోతే న్యూస్ పేపర్ కి టచ్ అయ్యి మీకు ఫోర్స్ తెలుస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఫ్రిక్షన్. మోషన్ అపోజెస్, మళ్ళీ ఏదో ఒక ఫోర్స్ ఆపుతున్నట్టు కనిపిస్తుంది. ఫర్ హెయిర్ ఆన్ ద బాడీ ఆఫ్ యానిమల్స్, స్ట్రీమ్ లైన్, ఏ షేప్ దట్ రెడ్యూసెస్ ఫ్రిక్షన్. స్ట్రీమ్ లైన్ అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫ్లాటెన్ షేప్ విచ్ రెడ్యూసెస్ ఫ్రిక్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ వెబ్బెడ్ ఫీట్. Feet with the skin between toes to help in swimming. In the frog chusam kada daniki webbed feet undi which helps to swim. This all about our topic, that is block 8. Block 8 we have discussed complete revision of block 8. What? Where animals live, especially birds. Birds fly by using the wings. The same manner how the fish is having streamlined body, here the bird is also having some what we call some structure, or two edges will be pointed. It will be having boat shape to fly, which helps to fly. This is all about our today's topic, that is where animals live. I am going to send you the worksheet, children, which is related to the whole topic, that is block 8, where animals live. Try to complete the worksheet, children, and send it by WhatsApp. But you should mention your name in the worksheet itself. మీరు వర్క్షీట్ రాసేటప్పుడు మీ నేమ్ కంపల్సరీగా రాయాలి, లేకపోతే నాకు ఎవరు రాస్తున్నారో తెలియదు. సో ట్రై టు అటెంప్ట్ యువర్ worksheet as well as you have to write your name on the top of the worksheet. Okay children, bye. We will meet in the next class. Yes. Okay, children, bye. We will meet in the next class.